Hey guys, my name is Emma and you're watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRight, where technology is done right. In today's video I'm going to teach you on how to install multiple softwares at once. Okay, so it's very simple. This method is very good for people who have just installed Windows and they want to install multiple software, but they need to go to each website. So you don't have to do that, you just have to go to one website and download all the apps from there. It's pretty simple. Okay, so first of all, let's open our browser. If you have Microsoft Edge, just go with it. Okay, and you're going to go to the website called Ninite. The link will be in the description below, guys. So you go ninite.com. Let it load. Okay, so you'll come to this website where you can see all of the apps, softwares just scattered around. Okay, so you have this little check boxes and you can check which app do you want. So I'm going to be checking on Firefox, WinRAR, Skype, Steam, VLC, Spotify, why not, and ImageBurn, and yeah, that's about it, I think. Okay, and then after you've checked what software you want, you can scroll down and you can see here, download and run your custom installer or updater. So you're going to click on get your Ninite. You can see all your apps will be here. Okay, let it download the installer, click on it, open it. It says preparing setup. You can close this browser already. You can see it's saying preparing the setup. Let it load. Okay, enable the administrator access by clicking yes. Then you can see it says downloading Firefox, and if you click here on show details, you can see it downloads each and every software and installs it very easily. You don't have to go to separate websites, it's all here. So that's about it, guys. If you have any other questions or any other problems, please put them down in the comments below, and I think that's about it. So please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'm out.